Hey, welcome back to YT Finance, and today we are talking about Chargepoint stock. We will discuss why the CHPT stock price has pulled back recently, and if this correction is a cause for any concern. We will also look at Chargepoint stock price predictions and CHPT stock price targets by analysts. Then we will go over Chargepoint's revenue forecasts, and why Chargepoint is a great EV stock to own because their electric vehicle infrastructure is extremely competitive. Go and press the like button right now for more stock news videos, comment your CHPT stock price predictions down below, turn on subscription notifications if you are new, and now let's make you some free money with Webull. Webull is a free brokerage app where you can buy and sell stocks, options, and cryptocurrencies, but right now you can get 2 free stocks with Webull. You can get the first free stock, which can be worth anywhere from $2 to $250 for just creating an account, and you can get a second free stock, which can be worth up to $1,600 if you invest $100 or more on your first deposit. You will have a 1 in 100 chance of getting stocks like Facebook, Starbucks, or Snapchat, and you have a 1 in 50 chance of getting stocks like Google or Procter & Gamble. To get this offer, just press on the link in my description box down below, but do it quickly because this offer will not last forever. And without further ado, let's get into today's stories. The electric vehicle market is hot, and EV stocks like Chargepoint, ticker symbol CHPT, are even hotter. However, the CHPT stock price has fallen from its highs, and it's still falling. So is this a sign that the company is having problems? The answer is no. Fiscal data shows that Chargepoint is on the right path towards success, and that the future looks very bright for this stock. The current stock price is still very realistic though, so let's determine if CHPT stock is a good buying opportunity right now. Currently, Chargepoint is trading at around $23 right now. However, the stock is below its midpoint range of $25. So this should signal bullish investors that now is a good time to buy. Back in January, CHPT stock was worth almost $50 a share, and it has potential to reach this $50 level once again, especially because Chargepoint has a diverse set of services that they offer to a rapidly growing customer base. Chargepoint more than deserves to be on a list of top EV stocks, or at least it should be on an electric vehicle stock watch list, because according to the company, they have the most comprehensive EV charging solution portfolio available for fleets of all types and sizes. Their portfolio includes Fleet Depot, mobility and home software solutions, which keeps vehicles charged and ready for work. It also includes application programming interfaces and global partnerships that span across telematics, fuel cards, and asset management systems. Chargepoint also has fast DC charging and AC charging platforms. It truly is one of the greatest EV infrastructure stocks out there, which can also make it a great EV stock play to own in general. The company also has a lot of confidence in themselves, as seen from their product senior vice president, who said this, and I quote, "Chargepoint is making the transition to electrification a seamless experience. With a fleet portfolio that combines world-class software-defined hardware with services and support features to satisfy the operational needs of all types of fleets." Although there are not many fully electric fleets out there right now, the number of electric fleet vehicles are growing at an extremely fast rate. Chargepoint is making great money right now, which is being reflected on their financial statements. However, if you are like me, you want to see the hard fiscal data that shows just how successful Chargepoint is. Chargepoint in the first quarter generated $40.5 million, which is a year-over-year revenue increase of 24%. $26.8 million worth of that revenue just came from their charging network, which represented a 36% year-over-year increase. Financially, CHPT is in a very strong position because they have $610 million worth of cash on their balance sheet. The electric vehicle market is is rapidly developing and growing, which gives investors a great opportunity to get into these companies early before they get years and years of success under their belt. Great EV stocks can include battery plays, chip plays, infrastructure charging plays, electric vehicle plays, and many more. But out of the whole EV market, is CHPT stock considered a good investment compared to other EV stocks? Well, let's see what analysts have to say, and they say this, and I quote, "While investors share our enthusiasm about the company's positive fundamental outlook and CHPT's strong competitive position, we heard some concerns about the pace and timing of margin recovery, the impact of increased competition, a potential share overhang, and optimistic LT revenue targets. We discussed these concerns with Chargepoint management and came away with a reinforced conviction in the potential for upside in CHPT shares." End quote. Revenues have already beat analyst projections, and the best part is that long-term revenues are expected to continue to grow as time progresses. Additionally, CHPT is one of the dominant charging station plays that will continue to adapt and develop its technology to maintain this dominance in the EV market. Chargepoint will have a great gross margin, which is heading to 30% very quickly. This has impressed analysts so much that 5 analysts, who all rate CHPT stock as a clear buy, have a 12-month average price target of $37.20, which is much higher than the current stock price, which is around $23. An analyst from Needem actually says that CHPT stock can easily hit $39 a share this year, which represents a 39% increase and upside for investors if they invest now in a very short amount of time, especially after the stock stops downtrending. Even the low-end price target is higher than the current price, coming in at $29, and out of 7 analysts who all rate it as a buy, $46 is the high end, which is a great upside potential for the stock. Other analysts who follow Chargepoint Holdings Incorporated, ticker symbol CHPT stock, actually expect the stock to gain 57.86% in the next 12 months. They also say that Chargepoint currently outranks 55% of all other stocks on the market, but that is generated by a computer system that looks at both fundamental factors and technical factors, so again, take that with a grain of salt. The current volumes for CHPT stock is also lower, coming in about 2.5 million compared to their regular 7 million, but I wouldn't fret about that because Chargepoint is still an excellent EV stock to purchase. But what do you think about CHPT stock? Leave your comment down below, like this video right now for more videos, subscribe if you are new, and I will see you in the next YT video.